Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create bookmark in Word in the same document. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to bookmark any text in the same document. Select a text. Now I select the text. Then go to the Insert menu and click the bookmark option and write the bookmark name. Then click Add. Then select the another text and apply the same process. Then go to the File menu and click Option. Then go to the Advanced option. Then find and select the Show Bookmarks check mark to see the bookmark. Then click OK. Now we can see here we see the bookmark very easily, and we create bookmark in this document, same document, very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.